Hey guys, it's me. Oh, I just crashed my hand into my computer. Hey guys, it's me and I'm playing my grandma's poop. No, I'm playing freeze tag today and need to wait to my poop. We have 4 more minutes to be in the lobby. I hope they have the lobby still. I played this like a year ago or something. No, it's a long time I haven't played this game. Wow. This is kinda this is kinda hard on computer. Not gonna lie. No. Oh, good. Yeah, this kinda hard, not gonna lie. Like, oh my gosh, this is triggering. Help me, God. Yeah, I kinda am embarrassed. Oh, wait a second. Settings. I have my volume up like poo. Was this God? Oops. Was this God? Nobody knows. Anyways, why do I put on my volume right now? I explain. It's because I am listening to music for myself, not for you guys. 'Cause I'm peeing on the camera. Hey, you stand on my head. You don't know how much I want. I paid for this. I had an iPad. Wait. iPad and help stick, and I was like a pro with hobbies. But ever since I got a computer, it's so triggering. And you might say, why don't you play Roblox on your tablet, iPad? I mean, it's because we have 20 seconds left. Wait, we need to wait. Now, we have like, oh, I just saw spectator. I have no idea what that just was. Credits. Oh, I have a good amount from credits. grape pool is very good. Like I can show you. What? Hospital! We need to go to the hospital. We fail so much. Count. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The rocket ship is going on your mom. What did I just say? I'm cray cray. I'm cray cray. It's already 5 minutes and I haven't oh my gosh. No, no. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. You may say why don't I use my grape pool? It's because I'm dumb. I'm so dumb. You know what? We're just gonna grape up here. You poop! You poop! You poop! You poop! You poop in your pee-pee. No! No! Get that poop! Get that piece of pee-pee. Everyone was frozen! Not me! Okay, normal VIP, I have that. What? 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 I hate. Gosh. She's moonwalking. She's moonwalking. She's She's moonwalking. She's poo parking. What? I used to make a part 2 of jailbreak. Waiting room, please, please. What is this? What even is this? No serving. Get this kind of how we have to and we have to and we need to and we have to That's kind of embarrassing. Oh, I didn't see that baby. Everyone was frozen. We can do one more round. You see my clapping. You see my... What rhymes on clapping? You see my mapping. You see my lapping. You see my spectate. Spagaboo. Spagadu, spagadi, abudi, yaba. I need to pay. What am I doing with my life? It's very... I'm just sad. It's not good. Get it, do. Ah! Ah! Is she frozen? Is she frozen? What am I saying? Is she frozen? 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 Some people run away. Where are they? Is she frozen? Is he frozen? Is he frozen? Everyone was frozen. Anyways, that's my trumpet. My trumpet. Anyways. But all girls. But all girls. One server. Wow. Okay, that's not a fair trade. It's sweet sugar bar. Sweet sugar bar. I'm sit so jabu. I do. I may have to cut some parts of this. So you'll probably be like, yeah. Run, Jerry. Who's Jerry? A do a bitty adu edu Smiley. It's just a smiley. It's just a smiley. I almost threw up. Anyways, I had fever 2 days in a row. I don't know if I'm gonna survive this year. Wish me luck. I hope I don't die because of fever. I'm gonna freeze this doo-doo. I'm just gonna see what there's to be. There's hair. There's head. Bloxwood prison. I need to go to prison. Okay. Bye guys. I have no time left. I hope you enjoyed this. Bye!